Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna toast the Peruvian corn or Peruvian canchita in a clay pot. It's a special pot from Peru. Soon you will have more Peruvian recipes in this kind of pot, don't worry. I'm getting started to heat the clay pot, and right here I have the Peruvian corn. And also you're gonna need the vegetable oil and salt. And when the pot is hot, we're going to add oil and then the Peruvian corn. And toast them over low heat. Stir a little bit, and when the corn starts to pop, you have to cover it. In less than 1 minute, continue stir around. Then cover the pot again and shake the clay pot. Then we're gonna add the salt to taste. And remember, you have to constantly shake the pot until the Peruvian corn is golden brown, as you see it in the Peruvian restaurant. And place the toast corn in a paper towel to absorb the oil. And remember, you can toast this Peruvian corn in a normal pot with lid. This is very important. And done. And she's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. Please follow her every Saturday here on my channel. And follow me on my social networks. And please subscribe to my channel and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.